Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, September 7th. I'm Jim Weatherup, Chairman of the Oswego County Legislature. In the battle against COVID-19, our accumulated case counts continue to surge these last few weeks. Just this past week, we've reported 388 new positive cases and 903 people are in mandatory isolation or quarantine. I'm also sorry to report that we've lost 2 more neighbors to the virus. I would like to extend our condolences to the families and friends of these patients. This shows us that the virus is still active here in Oswego County, and according to the CDC, our community transmission levels remain high. I urge residents to protect themselves in public spaces and to get vaccinated. As of today, only 61,976 people, a little more than half of Oswego County residents, have completed their vaccine series. It's important to remember that the vaccine is effective in preventing severe illness, hospitalization, and death. It is available at pharmacies, healthcare providers, and the county health department. We have a vaccination clinic scheduled every Wednesday in September at the Nick Stereo Public Health Clinic, 70 Bunner Street, Oswego. Health staff will administer the 2-dose Pfizer Comirnaty vaccine, approved for those aged 12 years and older, from 1 to 5:30 p.m. Many of our clinics are run in collaboration with local agencies. This Thursday, September 9th, we will hold a clinic at the Williamstown Fire Department, located at 575 New York State Route 13. From 5 to 7:30 p.m., health staff will administer each person's choice of either the 2-dose Pfizer vaccine, approved for those ages 12 and older, or the 1-dose Johnson & Johnson vaccine, approved for those aged 18 and older. Go to health.oswegocounty.com and click on the link for local information about the COVID-19 vaccination for details. We continue to work through this pandemic, knowing we faced other trying times. We've dealt with emergencies and disasters such as those caused by flooding, high wind, and severe weather. These events may last only a few minutes, a few days, or several weeks, and the long-term effects can last even longer than that. Through early planning and preparation, we can improve our community's ability to withstand a disaster and boost our recovery efforts. September is National Preparedness Month, and I would like to take a minute to recognize the staff in the county's Emergency Management Office for their unwavering commitment to the people in this county. Working with first response units and partner agencies, as well as local, state, and federal governments, EMO staff help us protect the health and safety of our residents. They manage the countywide comprehensive emergency management plan, which includes plans for continuity of operations, hazard mitigation, and all hazards, among others. They anticipate the what-ifs, they coordinate the resources, and practice a variety of scenarios and responses to prepare for both natural and man-made disasters. Thanks to their hard work, Oswego County is a National Weather Service storm-ready community and a National Weather Service weather ambassador. EMO also partners with Exelon Generation, the New York State Division of Homeland Security, Emergency Services, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency to implement the county's radiological emergency response plan. They provide support to other county departments and initiatives, such as the COVID-19 response, E911 communications, and EMS training and planning for special events. As the common emergency mantra goes, it's not a question of if something is going to happen, it's a question of when it will happen. Thanks to our EMO staff, we are better prepared to respond to a disaster or emergency. I encourage you all to make an emergency plan with your family and have a disaster kit ready for your home and car. For information about preparing for the unexpected, go to the EMO's website at www.oswegocounty.com/EMO. Now that we're into September, I would also encourage you to prepare for the fall harvest. Our county tourism office reminds us that there are many farm stands and markets in our communities. The tourism tip of the week is to stop at your local farm stand for some fresh sweet corn, or visit a U-Pick farm and bring home some crisp, delicious apples and some of New York's best apple cider. across the county enjoy garden fresh produce, gourmet jams and sauces, homemade baked goods, and local fruit wine. Stay safe and healthy, and thank you for doing your part to help prevent the spread of COVID-19. If you haven't been vaccinated, now is the time. Call the COVID-19 hotline at 315-349-3330 for details.